Hi, Craig again for High Performance Systems. In this video we're going to be reviewing a 4,800 square foot project that was done for a local Ford dealership here in New Jersey. This project was the resurfacing of their service bays, where we had to contend with concrete that was saturated with grease and oil. Our first goal was to remove as much of the grease and oil contamination as possible so that our material would bond well to the concrete. We started by wetting out the entire floor and applying a heavy-duty degreaser. The floors are scrubbed down with a scrubbing pad attached to a floor buffing machine, and then followed up with the power washing to remove any residual dirt and grease. Once the floors were thoroughly degreased, we began diamond grinding them to remove any remaining contaminants and create a mechanical profile for our resinous material to bite into. Since we did a wet grind on this floor to keep the dust down, after the grinding was finished, we power washed the floor again to remove all the sludge created from the grinding process. Once this phase of the preparation was completed, we let the floors air dry as opposed to drying them with torches or some other heat source, because that could potentially bring any remaining grease or oil trapped in the slab back up to the surface. On day 2, we began to apply our base coat, a urethane cement slurry. This slurry is applied at 1/8 of an inch and then broadcast with the silica sand. The sand broadcast gives the floor added strength and thickness. Once the base coat was cured, we applied an intermediate coat of epoxy. This intermediate coat of epoxy was squeegeed onto the floor and then given another light broadcast of sand, which was back rolled in. This additional sand broadcast added some extra slip resistance to the floor for employee safety. On our third and final day, we applied a second coat of epoxy to finish off the job. If you're interested in epoxy flooring for your facility, please give us a call at 1-800-928-7220 or visit our website at www.highperformancesystems.com.